Our goal for this property is to turn a typical two-family house into two luxury condos. Hey everyone, welcome to Treetop Group latest real estate investment project. So we're here at 19 Leonard Ave in Cambridge. Before we get into details of our rehab plan, let's start why we chose to purchase this property. The property is a typical two-family house in Cambridge, but what caught our attention was the high ceiling height in the attic. We saw this as an opportunity to utilize the space and potentially create an additional living space without having to go through the zoning process, which is very tedious. This property has a great potential for a high return on investment. However, there were some challenges we faced with this property. Firstly, the lack of parking space is a major concern in Cambridge. Secondly, arranging a construction crew and material delivery was a challenge due to the tight space in the area. Despite the challenges, we came up with a solid rehab plan. Firstly, we excavated the basement to create a decent ceiling height and included that with the first floor to create a duplex. Secondly, we were able to go through the zoning process because of those high ceiling heights I talked about on the third floor. And by obtaining a necessary permit, we were able to create two duplexes and increasing the square footage of each unit. Our ultimate goal to create two luxury condos, both over roughly 2,000 square feet of living space, by adding the third floor and by adding the basement to the layout, we were able to create a unique feature that will add value to the property. Our exit strategy is to sell both of these units as a condo, Unit 1 and Unit 2. We expect to sell the condos for $3.6 million combined, with the bottom unit price for 1.7 and top unit for 1.9. These are still estimates. This is a great opportunity for someone who wants to live in luxury in the heart of Cambridge. Thanks for joining us on our tour of this property. We hope you enjoy learning about our rehab and what we hope to achieve with this investment. If you are interested in learning more about the investment opportunity or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Stay tuned for more updates on our future projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more real estate content. Peace.